The new trailer for Wednesday Season 2 has just dropped and we have got chills. Let's break down every detail, hidden clue, and shocking moment from the trailer and predict where the story might go. Will Wednesday face a new villain? What Tyler's fate and who is the mysterious new character? Find it all out in today's breakdown. The Gothic halls of Nevermore Academy are back, and so is our favorite deadpan detective, Wednesday Adams. Season 2 is coming, and the new trailer just dropped some of the seriously eerie clues. Let's break it down and let's explore what to expect in the next chilling chapter of Wednesday. Wednesday Season 2 trailer breakdown and plot expectations. We open with Wednesday returning to Nevermore Academy, but something's changed. The atmosphere is darker, more ominous, and Wednesday says something wicked is coming. That line, pure foreshadowing. Characters returning. Enid, now more confident in her werewolf form, is shown sparring. Could this be the tease of her taking on a leadership role? Bianca, the Siren Queen, is seen lurking with a very secretive look. Is she hiding something? And Tyler, he is in chains, but his smirk says that he's far from done. It's safe to assume he will either escape or be used again by a dark force. New characters and clues. One blink and you are going to miss it all. The movie shows a mysterious woman in a Victorian style dress, possibly an ancestor or a ghost from the Addams family line. Another clue, a secret room beneath the school filled with ancient symbols. Could this connect to Wednesday's visions or maybe a long buried prophecy? Plus, rumors suggest that a vampire can also be introduced, and the trailer shows a brief fang reveal from a new student. Looks like Nevermore is getting even weirder and we love it. Plot expectations. Number one, a darker tone. The trailer suggests that the stakes are higher, more horror, and deeper emotional arcs are involved. Number two, Tyler's return. As the Hyde, he might either be manipulated or embrace his monster side fully. Number three, a new big bad. Whether it's supernatural entity or a dark family secret, Wednesday will need to rely on her instincts more than ever. Number four, more Addams family. Gomez and Morticia might play even larger roles, especially if the family secrets are now to be revealed. Wednesday's powers also seem to be evolving. Wednesday's powers also seem to be evolving. Her visions are sharper, longer, and possibly now allow her to influence rather than just observe. That could change everything. So, what did you spot in the Wednesday trailer that we might have missed? Drop your theories in the comments down below, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you never miss out on any of our breakdowns.